Is it time to buy or sell Rigetti Computing stock? In this video, we will explore Rigetti Computing in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 13th of March, 2025, and we are now here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 7th of February, 2025, our system has identified Rigetti Computing as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -5.46. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has seen a decline of 30.17%. This equates to an average daily loss of 1.26% since it was categorized as a strong sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the middle of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines are likely. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 22.65% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from -76.10% to +42.89%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects a change of 105.87%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 12.49% and 421.15% over the next year. In practical terms, this suggests a future price between $9.84 and $45.60. Our latest daily update for Rigetti Computing includes the headline, Volatile Ride for Rigetti Computing Inc. stock price on Thursday, moving between $8.36 and $9.40. The Rigetti Computing Inc. stock price fell by 2.23% on the last day, Thursday, the 13th of March, 2025, from $8.95 to $8.75. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 12.44% from a day low at $8.36 to a day high of $9.40. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 8.97% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume decreased on the last day, coinciding with the stock's decline, which is generally a positive indicator as volume should align with the stock's movement. On the last day, the trading volume fell by 4 million shares, and in total, 67 million shares were exchanged for approximately $585.26 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $21.42, while the lowest price stood at 66 cents. Currently, the price is 59.15%, or $12.67, below the 52-week high of $21.42, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Rigetti Computing, trading under the ticker RGTI, is navigating a pivotal moment as it reels from a 33% decline in its stock price, outpacing the broader market's 7% downturn. Recent strategic moves, including a $200 million partnership with Quanta, aim to accelerate quantum commercialization over the next 5 years through enhanced research and development coupled with a push for government and academic contracts. Despite the attractive potential from this partnership, Rigetti reported a staggering 32% year-over-year revenue decline, totaling only $2.3 million in the fourth quarter, compounded by a $153 million net loss. This financial strain stems from low-margin contracts and elevated costs. Analysts have upgraded the stock to a speculative buy, indicating a belief in its future potential to recover. While Rigetti has improved liquidity through equity offerings, securing over $217 million in cash, the company faces challenges in the short term related to growth and market competition. As the landscape for quantum computing becomes increasingly competitive, Rigetti's ability to develop scalable solutions will be critical to its long-term success. In the immediate term, investor sentiment may remain cautious due to economic uncertainty and the company's volatility. However, if Rigetti can leverage its partnerships effectively and foster revenue growth, there's potential for a turnaround that could positively influence stock performance over the medium to long term. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 6th of March, 2025, it was reported that Alliance Global Partners assigned RGTI a buy rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, it was reported that B. Riley assigned RGTI a buy rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 20th of December, 2024, it was reported that Craig Hallam assigned RGTI a buy rating with an initiate action. On Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned RGTI a buy rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 25th of July, 2024, it was reported that B. Riley assigned RGTI a buy rating with an initiate action. Analysts have assigned Rigetti Computing stock a general strong sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts rate the stock with a strong sell designation. The following signals have been identified for Rigetti Computing. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the near-term development. Rigetti Computing Inc. stock currently indicates a buy signal from the short-term moving average. Conversely, the long-term average reflects a general sell signal. This is significant as the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average, leading to an overall negative outlook for the stock. Should the stock experience further gains, it will encounter resistance at the long-term moving average, which is at $10.87. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $8.53. A breakout above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will contribute to an additional sell signal, thereby reinforcing the overall trend. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, January 2nd, 2025, and the stock has since declined by 56.25%. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, volume decreased along with the price during the last trading day, which may lower the overall risk as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots suggest a sell signal from 48 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy from 101 days ago. The short-term moving average shows a buy signal from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 25 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 23 days ago. If we take a look at the 12-month chart, we can observe the short moving average indicates a sell signal from 23 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 101 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 94 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Rigetti Computing. Rigetti Computing Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $8.51. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock is known for its significant daily fluctuations, indicating a high volatility. With a notably large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.04 between its high and low points, which is a movement of 12.44%. In the past week, the daily average volatility stood at 14.20%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Rigetti Computing, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial metric measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even established firms can go through downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal insufficient profits and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 8th of May, 2025. Analyst consensus estimates are at a loss of 5 cents per share. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Rigetti Computing. In the case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Rigetti Computing is at $8.95. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Rigetti Computing encounters its first support level at $8.51. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Rigetti Computing from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 11th of March, 2025, Kathy L. McCarthy executed an insider sale of 150,000 shares of common stock. On the 10th of March, 2025, Jeffrey A. Bertelson conducted an insider purchase of 200,000 shares of common stock. Also on the 10th of March, 2025, David Rivas made an insider purchase of 200,000 shares of common stock. On the 11th of March, 2025, David Rivas executed an insider sale of 351,785 shares of common stock. On the 12th of December, 2024, Ray O. Johnson conducted an insider purchase of 98,373 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of negative 3.711. Overall, insiders purchased 8,248,145 shares and sold 4,954,290 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and a stop loss has not been established. Is Rigetti Computing stock a good buy? Rigetti Computing Inc. holds several negative signals, and we believe that it will continue to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, we maintain a negative evaluation of this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 14th of March, we expect Rigetti Computing to open higher by approximately 8.67 cents, starting at $8.84. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before engaging in the buying or selling of any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.